Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete a group on monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to monday.com. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have, as you can see in the top left corner, your home button, your work. We have the boards here, which you can see. And in the top right corner, guys, we have everything about your account. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete a group on monday.com. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, if you'd actually like to go and delete a group from your board, which you can see we have a new board or we have the other board, so we have them both here. All you need to do is click on the three-dot menu to the left of a group name. So basically, when you have the group name, you just need to click on the three. You can see group title. You just need to click on these three dots here, guys. And here you just need to go and click on the, of course, delete button. After that, as you can see, the group they will have to delete this group. If you keep it in your trash for 30 days, then you can go click delete, or when it's in trash, it'll be in the top right corner in the trash here. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.